I don't wanna hear you talk. Niggas talk too much. ft65DAE.
I just wanna get this money like righty till I'm rich. Boy, you posting pictures with your guns. Boy, you is a bitch. Mama said don't stress about no bitch. Get up on your shit. Heard he stomped his feet and clapped his hands. Niggas do it fit. Please don't fuck with me, cause I be doing extra shit. This little bitch, she crazy. She a demon, call it extra shit. I just put a switch up on that Glock. I busted, let her rip. I'ma fuck this bitch and kick her out. I nutted on her lip. 6'5", what you sippin' on? Let me taste, let me sip. I don't wanna hear you talk. I don't wanna hear you talk. I don't wanna hear you talk. Yeah. Every time I fuck her, she say choke me. Heard my name in a situation, you don't know me.
No, you don't.
I'ma up this bitch and take a shot, please call me Kobe. Remember Arkansas, went to school, called Jack Roby. Nigga took my shoes, tryna play, you don't know me. Bet that shit won't slide again, and bitch, I know you know me. Beat his ass and make him beg, gave that boy a 4-piece. Chillin' with this dark-skinned pretty bitch, her name Naomi. Oh, I heard you a freak, baby, come and show me. Never claim that gangster life, but niggas never hold me. I don't wanna hear you talk, I don't wanna hear you talk. Niggas talk too much, I don't wanna hear you talk. 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 Niggas posting pictures with they guns, I don't stand by that. Hey, Lil Mac, pass me that old Glock, let me handle that. This bitch super thick, lot of ass, I can handle that. $1,000 for some shoes, yeah, and I ran through that. I just fucked this bitch, she a virgin, she can't take it back. When I throw this money, do that same when you make it clap. Oh, he good at posting guns, but never made them bitches clap. I got hella hoes scattered everywhere, can't take it back.
You can't take it back?